Good morning everyone. I am Dr. Akshay Kumar Kodekar. Today we'll start our first lecture on the topic of water management, a comprehensive introduction. As you all know that water is one of the most important resources for life to exist on this earth. Water plays a very important role in development of a growth of a crop. So under such circumstances, it's very important of us to understand how judiciously we use this water so that can be used for a longer period of time. Come here, water resources are the source of water that are useful or potentially useful to the humans, and the use of water in agriculture is to the extent of 70%, industries 22%, and environmental activities 8%. So much of water is required, and entire this sector is dependent on the agriculture. If you come to our Indian economy, agriculture itself contributes around 18.6% to the Indian economy or Indian GDP. Under such circumstances, if water is not there, if rain does not occur, that GDP sector will be collapsed and it is a threat to our Indian economy. So proper management of water plays a very important role. We see that free water is a renewable source, yet the world is supply of clean fresh water is steadily decreasing. We have plenty of water which is not usable, not palatable. The salty water present in the ocean, only few water which is present, a few amount of water, few percentage of water which is fresh water, which can be drinkable. So under such circumstances, the proper utilization of water plays a very important role. Water demands more than the supply in many parts of the world. Due to rise in the world population, fresh water tapped already delayed in project initiation time, contamination of fresh water and higher standards of living. Yes, as population is increasing in countries like India, China, the requirement of water, the fresh water is very increasing. Under such circumstances, if the industrial activities, many activities that is contaminating our potable water, that in turn affect our day-to-day life, that in turn affect our agriculture. So understanding that, keeping that into the point of mind and understanding the water management plays a very important role. If you see here the percentage of total water, the water present in the ocean is 97.3%. Water present in the polar icebergs are is 2.0%, and the water which is present in the groundwater and soil moisture, it is around 0.58%, and the water which is present in the lake and rivers, it is 0.02%, and the water which is present in the atmosphere is 0.0001%. If you see here and compare the data, the water which is not potable, it is 97.3%, and the water which is potable is just 0.58%, 0.002%. Such a difference is there, and understanding how properly utilize this potable water plays a very important role. We have so much of water which is not potable, that is 97.3%. Under such circumstances, thinking on how properly we utilize the water and the water management plays a very important role. If you see the status of irrigation in the world, Asia itself, if you see around 68% of area is irrigated. Comparatively with all the other continents, in Asian continent, irrigation capacity is high, and among that, India stands first with respect to highest irrigated area, about 70.4 million hectares, followed by the China. Earlier it was China, and India surpassed China with respect to the irrigation capacity. And if you see the per capita availability of water, it is first USA, followed by France, Egypt, and followed by India. And the percentage of irrigated area in terms of percentage with respect to the land is highest in Bangladesh, and the highest irrigation intensity are found in India and Pakistan. This is the data very much important. With respect to irrigation area, in percentage it is Bangladesh, and with respect to the per capita water availability is highest in USA, France, Egypt, and India. We call water, it is a dynamic and static. Why it is called as dynamic? Because dynamic water is a flowing water, and the static water which is present in the lakes, ponds, that is water doesn't move, it is called as static water. If you see here the inland water resources in India, The rivers and canal, the length is around 19,50,905. And with respect to the water bodies in reservoir, it is around 2.93 million hectares, and water which is present in the tanks and pond, it is 2.43 million hectares, and the floodplain lakes and derelict water bodies, it is around 0.8 million hectares. And the total of 7.31 million hectares of the water which is dynamic and static present in India. This is the India with multiple river flowing all over the world, either Ganga Basin, Yamuna, Krishna, Bhima. We see here uh, the major river basin of our India in the Indus River, which has origin in Manasohar of Tibet, which has a length of 709 km with a catchment area of 59,68,000 kilometers. And the Ganga with the origin of Gangotri in Uttarkashi. If you see the Brahmaputra, it is the Kailash range in Tibet. The origin with respect to the competitive exam point of view is very important. The Sabarmati at Aravali Hills in Rajasthan, and the Mahi River in Dhar in Madhya Pradesh, and the Narmada River in Amarkant, Madhya Pradesh, Tapti River in Betul, that is in Madhya Pradesh, and the Brahmani River in Ranchi, Jharkhand. And if you see the Mahanadi River, it is a Nazri town, Madhya Pradesh, and Godavari, that is Nasik, Maharashtra, Krishna River, that is Mahabaleshwar, Maharashtra, Pennar River, Kolar in Karnataka, and Kaveri River, that is Telakaveri in Karnataka. These are the origin places of river with their length and catchment area is given here. The largest length with respect to the Brahmaputra River, which is around 2,580 kilometers, followed by the Brahmaputra River, followed by the Ganga River. Irrigation projects, if you see here, the major irrigation projects of India. The first is Bhakra Nangal irrigation project, which covers the states of Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, and Rajasthan. And India's highest gravity dam, or India's highest dam, which is present on the Sutlej River, is the Bhakra Nangal Dam. Remember, with respect to the competitive point of view, project which is present in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. It comprises of Gandhi Sagar Dam, Rana Pratap Sagar Dam, and Jawahar Sagar Dam. Very important. The next is Hirakud Dam, one of the most important dams. We call it as world's longest dam, which is located on Mahanadi River, which is present in the state of Odisha. The next is Nagarjun Sagar Dam, which is present in Andhra Pradesh. It's located on the Krishna River. Indira Gandhi Canal, which is in Rajasthan, the project uses water released from the Pong Dam and provides irrigation facility to the northwestern region of Rajasthan. It is the world's largest irrigation canal with a length of 650 kilometers. The next we have Sabarmati Dam, which is present in the state of Gujarat, the store dam across the Sabarmati River. Then we have Tehri Dam in Uttarakhand. It is the tallest dam of India, earth and rock-filled dam on Bhagirathi River with a multi-purpose dam. Tungabhadra, on the present in Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, it is present on the Tungabhadra River, and we have Krishna Sagar Dam, which is present in Karnataka on the Kaveri River. These are the river and their discharge rate. We see it in a cubic kilometer. The total annual discharge of Indus River, it is 73.31 cubic kilometer, and the estimated utilized surface flow is around 46 cubic kilometer. This is quite important data when you are talking about the interstate water disputes. And Brahmaputra River with an annual average discharge of 525.02 cubic kilometer, followed by the Brahmaputra River with the 585.60 cubic kilometer. In the same way, you see the highest discharge is from the Brahmaputra River, followed by the Ganga River. And the estimated utilization is maximum with respect to the Ganga River, which is around 250 cubic kilometer. Next, if you see the groundwater resources of India, the total replenishable groundwater resources in Brahmaputra River, it is around 26.55 cubic kilometer cube per year. In this way, this data shows how the groundwater resources of India has been utilized all over the country.